My name is Anand Murugesan, Director of Products at Netskope.
In this video, we are going to look at merge results. Merge results is another advanced concept by which you can explore data from multiple datasets such as page events and alerts, or say for example application events and alerts, and you can bring the data from both explores and show it in a single visualization, right? This is very handy when you want to compare trends or data movement between two different fields. This video will just try to show you one example of that.
So here, let me bring in, let's say, event week, and I'm going to bring in total bytes because that's what the allowed traffic is. So let's say 90 days. So for 90 days, I want to see a trend of the allowed traffic. Let's make it line. And so now I'm seeing the trend of allowed traffic. Now, what I want to do with this is I want to merge it with alerts. So that's why when I do the merge results, so here, the whole idea of merge is I can merge between two different explores. So when I say two different explores, meaning two different data sets. So in this case, I want to merge it with alerts. So I picked the alerts from there. So I'll build the same thing. So I want to bring in event week in the alerts, and I want to bring in bytes. So I want to bring in bytes, and I want to say action is block. So filter, the action is, and let's make it 90 days. Let's run it. Okay, so that these total bytes are actually only for discovery. If you have to get the inline as well, then you have to use the file size. So now what I've done is for in alert as well, I've looked at the block traffic, event week, and the total bytes, right? So now let me save it. Now what it's going to give me is the merge results between the two. So now let's run it. So it's merging based on the event week. That's how it's kind of bringing the two data sets together. Now for each event week, what I have is, so it's getting that allowed traffic from page events, and it's now getting the block traffic from alerts. And now I can visualize that, kind of overlay that. That's how you can bring the two data sets together. You have to be very careful about how you bring these data sets together, because I think you'll have to kind of understand the data to make sure that you are bringing the two data sets together in the right way. Because things like page events and application events, there is no easy way to bring those two data sets together because application events is pretty much a subset of page events. So bringing those two data sets together, you might overcount or double count things. So that's where you have to be very careful about using this functionality.